Hello friends, today we will see what is break-even point and formula for the break-even point we will see. See, break-even point. Break-even point is the one where no profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. What does it mean? See, in the business, when you are running the business, there will be a fixed cost. If you are able to recover the fixed cost, then you will say there is no profit or no loss. Okay. Take the example, break-even point equal to fixed cost. What madam, what you are saying? Yes, break-even point equal to, see, break-even point is the one you are recovering that much only, means where there is no profit, no loss. Take the example, your fixed cost in the business is, 10,000 rupees. Your fixed cost is, to run the business you are incurring only 10,000 rupees as a fixed cost. Variable cost is the one as and when you do the sales or as and when you do the production you will incur. But fixed cost is nothing but that is a fixed one. You need to pay this amount at any cost. Example for the fixed cost is rent. If you run the business, if you don't run the business, you need to pay the rent, that is a fixed cost. So if you are able to recover only 10,000 rupees from the business, then you will say your business is at break-even point. In the sense you are neither gaining nor losing. It means no profit, no loss. Are you getting my point? We will take one example. Fixed cost is 10,000 rupees and the contribution. The formula for the break-even point is equal to fixed cost divided by contribution or PV ratio. First we will see what is contribution. See, take the example, you are selling this pen in the market at 10,000 rupees. Sale price is 10,000 rupees. You are a manufacturer, you are selling this product in the market for 10,000 rupees. So you are getting 10,000 rupees. Do you think this 10,000 rupees belongs to your profit? Is it your profit? No, it is not your profit. You are manufacturing this pen and you are giving this to the customer. In the sense you are incurring some cost on the manufacture of this product. So that one we will say variable cost. Let's assume this is a 8,000 rupees. Means you have collected from the customer is 10,000. Even though 10,000 is your profit, you are incurring 8,000 rupees to manufacture this pen. Means only 2,000 rupees is a contribution. Only 2,000 rupees is a contribution for producing this product and selling in the market at 10,000 rupees. Means 2,000 rupees only your contribution. Again, don't make the mistake. 2,000 is also not your profit. To run this entire business, you will be incurring some fixed cost. Here you have taken only into consideration variable portion, but fixed cost is again there, 10,000 rupees. So that 10,000 rupees you need to recover from this contribution, right? So I can say break-even point equal to fixed cost divided by contribution. What is a fixed cost? We have seen 10,000 rupees is a fixed cost and contribution, how much you are getting? 2,000 rupees is a contribution we are getting. It means if we are able to sell only 4 products, 5, right? 5 products or 5 numbers of 5 pens in the market, then we are able to recover our fixed cost. Means we are getting nothing as a profit or we are losing nothing as a loss. Means our break-even point is 5 number of units. Break-even point units. Break-even point units, if I ask you what is the break-even point units, then this is the formula. Fixed cost divided by contribution, that is a 5 units. If I sell 5 units in the market, that is my break-even point. I am losing nothing, I am gaining nothing. This is a break-even point formula. Then what is a PV ratio? PV ratio here is, that is contribution. PV ratio is equal to contribution divided by sales. Means what is the contribution I am getting? That is 2,000 rupees contribution I am getting by selling a pen at 10,000 rupees into 100. That is nothing but PV ratio is 20%. Right? So, if I want break-even point in the amount, then break-even point in terms of amount, fixed cost, what is my fixed cost upon what is my PV ratio. Fixed cost is how much? 10,000 rupees. And PV ratio is how much? 20%. So, if you calculate this one, you will get break-even point in terms of the amount. Right? Right. Next thing is cash break-even point. What is the meaning of cash break-even point? In the sense, the amount which you are incurring, which you are directly paying in terms of the cash for the fixed cost. You are paying rent, that is a cash fixed cost. You are paying electricity, that is a cash fixed cost. But you are debiting depreciation, that is not your cash fixed cost. Depreciation you are debiting from your books of accounts only you are debiting it, but you are not paying to anyone else. So cash break even in the sense only cash fixed cost you need to take into consideration while calculating this fixed cost. What is the cash fixed cost? Let's assume in our example 8,000 rupees. 8,000 rupees is the cash fixed cost. Example. Don't ask me, madam, from where you are taking this 8,000. Just example I am taking. Then contribution. How much we got contribution? 2,000 rupees. In the sense, I need to sell 4 units. At least 4 units means 4 units I need to sell to get my cash break-even point. If I need in terms of the percentage, in terms of the amount, the same formula. 8,000 rupees divided by 20%. Right? Next thing. Break-even sales, the other formula is total sales minus margin of safety. What is margin of safety? We will see in the next class. Margin of safety, total sales minus margin of safety is a break-even sales. Let's assume our total sales are 1 lakh rupee, example, and margin of safety sales are 60,000. We have separate class for the margin of safety, you can watch it. And then see, take the example in the examination they have given the total sales and they have given margin of safety sales. Then you can get your break-even sales. Total sales is 1 lakh, break-even sales is 40,000. The difference between these two is the 40,000, that is your break-even point or break-even sales. If it is given in terms of the percentage, this will be 100%, this will be 60%, and this will be 40%.